Happy New Year, entrepreneur. We made it to 2023. The question is, are you really ready for it? Have you prepared? If you haven't prepared, that's okay. Now, typically, once you become a client of mine, we will already be ready for the new year. We'll already talk budget, forecast, and what you're expecting, and the steps to get you to that. It's not just about bookkeeping. Bookkeeping lays the foundation to help you to build and to grow your business professionally and strategically. Nobody has overnight success. Now, what happens is that the person has been grinding, they've been building, and then when you hear about them, you feel like it came overnight. But anybody who has ever had any type of financial success or corporate success will tell you that it came with a lot of hard work and a lot of strategic planning and a lot of strategic moves. Unfortunately, we don't give enough thought to everything we're going to do. There has to be an element of faith because you're never going to see everything. So I'm not telling you to understand and see everything. But what I am telling you is that if you plan and you have a strategy, then when you take the leap of faith, it's all about believing in yourself and doing it. It's not throwing money out there and it never coming back. It's not walking off a job without a plan and without education. And when I say education, I mean preparing yourself for whatever you're getting ready to go into. You don't have to do anything that radical. When I say preparation, I'm talking about a business plan. Let's begin there. Most of the time, you get a business plan, and I've said it before, some people even pay for a business plan. But the business plan, while you submit it to the bank, it's also for you. Because as an entrepreneur, you are now stepping out on your own to be responsible for every aspect of your business. Things that you've never even thought about. No matter what your position is in the company that you may be in, whether you're in sales, marketing, like myself in accounting, that's the only part of that business you know. My job as a business consultant / coach is to make sure you understand the other aspects that accompany this type of move as an entrepreneur. People talk about boss moves, and that sounds so good, but with boss moves comes boss responsibility, boss problems, and boss strategy. And you cannot have one without the other. So in this new year, it may be a new year. The last 2 digits of the year may be different. But what are you going to do differently that's going to make you stand out? What are you going to do so that at the end of next year, or the end of this year rather, and into next year, you are not listing the same goals you had before? I am challenging everybody I know, every entrepreneur, to make it a real new year. New thoughts, new ideas, new experiences, new strategies. Strategies that will work and not those that just make you feel good for the moment. It's your girl, the Queen Bee of Doing Business Better. Give me a call. My information is below. Email me. Check out my website. I'm only accepting serious clients only. Bye-bye.